Parties Elsewhere was first shown at a gallery space in Mumbai that recently was gutted by fire in 2005. The space was located on a street that comes alive each evening with roadside eateries and transient gatherings. The guests at the event and the vendors and the eaters on the street dissolved into one large crowd on the opening day of the show, as the demarcation between the inside of the gallery and the street morphed into one. Two large tables were laid out with hundreds of empty wine glasses, while mechanically driven hammers on extended arms periodically crashed down onto the tables, shattering the glasses in sharp intervals. Above this fragile, repetitive violence, a glowing neon sign that announced "Party is elsewhere." The artwork stages celebration as an absence built into it that contrasts with the celebratory happening, turning the familiar grammar of the party, tables, glasses, neon sign, into a choreography of breakage and dystopia. The mechanical hammers convert festivity into a relentless rhythm of ruin, suggesting how pleasure economies in the city feed on exhaustion, waste, and the slow erosion of bodies and spaces. The neon proclamation "Parties Elsewhere" becomes both promise and refusal, an unreachable invitation that keeps desire circulating while denying arrival. Theatre like mirroring of urban life, where the scene is always shifting to another venue, another night, another elsewhere.